Hi, it's Steve with Mesa Properties, and this is just another tenant tip on if you have an electrical issue inside your house where your electrical outlets don't have power to them or something's not coming on. This is, for those of you that don't know, the breaker panel in a house. Every house has one. It's usually outside on one of the exterior garage walls. You can tell that you've got it because you have the basic electric meter here, and then this is actually, in most homes, this is above the panel, but in this case, it's below the panel. So if I just come into the panel and I open it up, there's a series of switches that are here, and hopefully if your electrician did a good job, they're actually going to label them really nice like this. And you're basically looking for a switch that has been turned to the off position, and that means the breaker's been blown, and you just flip it back over. Now sometimes what will happen is this breaker switch will actually be tripped, and it's still in this position, it's just off a little bit. So if you have any question, it's kind of a hassle, but you can always just turn the entire house off and turn it all back on simply by switching it off and back on. Hopefully that helps, and you won't have any electrical problems going forward.